At ADVANTUM, we're not just developing software, we're engineering solutions that transform operations across the globe. Our core mission: to harness technology to create efficiencies that enhance every aspect of your business, improving customer service and making work easier. From port and warehouse operators, freight forwarders, to labor force managers, ADVANTUM delivers robust, scalable solutions tailored to the unique needs of your industries. Whether it's managing massive multi-skilled workforces or automating complex logistics, our software is designed to propel your operations forward. Our suite, including ADVANTUM Freight, Logistics, Warehouse, Port, and e-labor, integrates seamlessly to provide comprehensive management capabilities. Imagine automating your processes, reducing errors, and connecting with industry partners, all in real time from anywhere in the world. What sets ADVANTUM apart? Our commitment to affordability and hands-on support, ensuring that businesses of all sizes can access top-tier technology. With quarterly updates, we continuously refine our solutions, staying ahead of the evolving needs of our clients. Beyond software, we invest in communities, offering internships and contributing to education, because at ADVANTUM, we believe in giving back. Join us on our journey to redefine efficiency. With ADVANTUM, you're not just adopting technology, you're setting a new standard. Discover more about our solutions today.